Hello, my dear students. Welcome to 5th standard science subject. We will begin with lesson number 14, our Panchayat. See, children, this lesson is actually related to the civics part which you will study in the 6th standard. This 5th standard EVS, we have to study everything, children, about science also and about our surroundings also. So, we are going to start with this lesson. See, any home or any school or any area needs to be governed. Governed means to be managed. Same way, our country, since it has become independent, it was under the rule of Britishers. So, it has become independent since 1947. So, in the year 1950, our constitution was formed. On 26th January, it started 26th January 1950. This extra information, children, I am giving you. Just now, we have celebrated our Republic Day, children. So, this is our own government. We are independent. We are not dependent on anyone. So, we are independent country, we are sovereign country, we are republic country, and we make our own rules and regulations. So we need someone to govern ourselves. So every time the Delhi government cannot come here and solve the problems of your village. Suppose we are living in a village or suppose we are living in a town. So at every place, one government cannot run or one government cannot take care of all the things. So at all levels, children, at all levels, whether it is a small village or a town or a taluka or a district or a big city or a metropolitan city, whatever it is, there is a government has been formed to look in the local areas, to carry on the different works, and then the working of the villages towns becomes easy because we have our own government, and this own government is called as what? Local self government, and it is a part of our panchayat. The name of the lesson, panchayat, means what? Panch means what? Five. Initially, before our country was under the rule of Britishers, before that also I am talking, since olden days, since ancient times, the villages were there. India is a country of villages, children. So villages were there. So who used to govern this village? A group of five people. Panch matlab panch. So a group of five elderly wise people used to govern the village, or they used to solve the problems of the villagers. They used to look after the requirements of the village. So from that the name has come to what? Panchayat. It was five people. Those who were elderly people, they were elected by the people, means that time there was no election like sort of, but five main people of the village used to take care of the problems and solve the problems of the villages. And from that we are coming to the word, we call it as what? Panchayat. Now I'll just read the lesson for you. We rule our country. Our country has become independent. Our government has been formed. Panchayats have come into existence. So the work of people in local area can become easy. Local area means where we live. That is our local area. We know about our institutes working in villages and cities. So we have different institutions, local self-government institutions at different levels, which are working in the village level, taluka level, and district level and city level. Now this one activity is that, children, you have to do it on your own, children. The map of the district, suppose we are all living in Valsad district, so you have to take up the map of Valsad district, and here you have to write down what does this map depict. So here you have to write down the map depicts the information of the district regarding the talukas and the villages of the district. Okay, so here you have to mention everything, whichever village, whichever talukas are there, or whichever district you have taken up. This you have to fill up activity on your own. Now come on the next page, children. See here on page 103, we were first doing page 102. So keep your textbooks open, children, that every time I give you the instructions, this time also I am giving it now 102 page, and now we are on page 103. So panchayat system exists in our country. This I told you, our panchayat system exists in our country since ancient time, children. Even before the Britishers were there, before that this system is going on. But after independence, that is after 1947, after 1950, when our constitution came into effect, this panchayat system started working at three different levels, children. So it was mainly formalized, means after 1950, in the year 1992, children, this came into existence again. It was there in the ancient time but slowly because of the Britishers and all, it had what we say, it was vanished from our country, this panchayat system. Again it was relaunched in the year 1992, and this system is of three tiers, in which institutes like Gram Panchayat, which work at village level, Taluka Panchayat, which works at taluka or the block level, and the Zilla Panchayat, which works at the district level. So this is called the three tiers of the panchayat. Teen level. Tiers means what? Three levels. TIERS. So it is divided into three levels, children, in which Gram Panchayat is for village, municipality or municipal corporation is again there, children. See, listen carefully. Gram Panchayat village level, Taluka Panchayat for taluka or block level, Zilla Panchayat for district level, municipality for cities, and municipal corporation for big cities like Mumbai, Surat. This year we have big cities, metropolitan cities. There we have municipal corporation. So remember this 5 level, children. In the village, that is in the rural area. Rural मतलब village area में 3 level है. कौन से 3 level? ग्राम पंचायत village level, तालुका पंचायत at the तालुका level, जिला पंचायत एट द डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल. ये रूरल की बात हो रही है. कहाँ की बात हो रही है? रूरल यानी विलेज की. अब हम जब सिटी में जाएंगे तो सिटी में 2 है. फॉर स्मॉल सिटीज इट इज़ म्यूनसिपैलिटी एंड फॉर बिग सिटीज इट इज़ म्यूनसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन. ओके, वेयर द पॉपुलेशन इज लेस देन द सिटी, स्मॉल सिटी से भी जो कम है, वहाँ पर होता है नगर पंचायत. नगर पंचायत या नगर पालिका होता है, जैसे अपना वापी में है नगर पालिका. ओके चिल्ड्रन, तो एक 3 लेवल यहाँ पर है, विलेज लेवल में है, और 3 लेवल है आपके अर्बन एरिया में. अर्बन मीन्स सिटी. So these institutes are very important for all of us. These are called institutions, local self-government institutions. Okay. For proper administration, better work is done with the help of representative of people. अब ये representative of people कौन है? Those whom we elect. हम लोग उनको elect करते हैं, उनको member बनाते हैं म्यूनसिपालिटी के या ग्राम पंचायत के या म्यूनसिपल कॉरपोरेशन को. हम लोग उनको, उन लोग वोटिंग में खड़े रहते हैं इलेक्शन में. वी वोट फॉर देम एंड वी इलेक्ट देम. हम लोग उनको हमारा नेता या हमारा मिनिस्टर या हमारे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बनाते हैं. दैट वर्ड इज कॉल्ड वर्ड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव. वेरियस पार्ट्स आर मेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉपुलेशन हर एक में एक एक मिनिस्टर्स होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ग्राम पंचायत में कम मेंबर्स होते हैं, तालुका पंचायत में ज़्यादा मेंबर्स होते हैं, जिला पंचायत में उससे ज़्यादा मेंबर होते हैं, म्यूनसिपैलिटी में मतलब नगर पंचायत या नगर पालिका में थोड़े और ज़्यादा होते हैं, म्यूनसिपैलिटी में उससे ज़्यादा मेंबर्स होते हैं. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द पॉपुलेशन द मेंबर्स आर इलेक्टेड, चिल्ड्रन. So panchayats are working to solve our local problems speedily. Get the following details and write. Now this is the, on the next page you have to write down the details of your ward. Your ward मतलब हम लोग जहाँ रहते हैं वहाँ पर. This is your own activity. क्या लिखना है वहाँ पर आपको? वार्ड नंबर लिखना है कि हम लोग कौन से वार्ड में रहते हैं. फिर वार्ड नंबर जैसे आप 1 to 10 11 तक दिया हुआ है, आप वार्ड नंबर डाल दो आपके हिसाब से. फिर वहाँ पे आपको नाम लिखना है कि कौन आपके एरिया में कौन इलेक्टेड हुआ है, उसका नाम, और उसको क्या क्या काम मिला है उसको. ओके, उसको कौन सी एरिया में काम मिला है. सो दिस इज़ योर ओन एक्टिविटी. इफ़ यू डोंट डू ऑल्सो इट इज़ ओके चिल्ड्रन. इतना करना कंपल्सरी नहीं है. ओके, नाउ कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज 105. यर ऑल्सो एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ देयर के तालुका पंचायत में कौन कौन काम देखता है, उसके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव का नाम लिखना है, और वो उसको क्या क्या विलेज, इसको उसको देखो समझ लो इतनी बात. नीचे का लेवल है विलेज लेवल. विलेज लेवल में मतलब ग्राम पंचायत. फिर सारे विलेज को एक बनाकर बनता है ब्लॉक, या उसको बोलते हैं तालुका. सब समझो 10 विलेज है तो उसको मिलाकर बनता है एक तालुका या एक ब्लॉक बनता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं तालुका पंचायत. तो यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है कि तालुका पंचायत में कौन सी सीट है, कौन सी सीट से लोग खड़े हुए, कौन सी एरिया से, और उनको कौन से गाँव के बारे में काम मिला है. और ज़िला पंचायत का मतलब है उसके अंडर सारे तालुका आ जाएंगे. वापस सुनो, नीचे का ग्रास रूट लेवल है, नीचे का लेवल है ग्राम पंचायत, विलेज लेवल, जो 1 या 2 विलेज के बारे में अपने देखता है. अगर छोटा विलेज होगा तो 2 विलेज का देखेंगे ग्राम पंचायत. फिर बहुत सारे जब विलेज बन जाते तो उसको बोलते हैं एक तालुका. तो वहाँ पर एक और मैनेजमेंट के लिए होता है, उसको बोलते हैं तालुका पंचायत. जब बहुत सारे तालुका, 4-5 तालुका मिक्स हो जाते हैं तो उससे बनता है एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट यानी ज़िला बनता है, तो वहाँ पर होता है ज़िला पंचायत. तो यहाँ पर आपको जिला पंचायत की एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटी. चिल्ड्रन इफ यू डोंट डू ऑल्सो इट्स ओके, आपको ये सब आने नहीं वाला एग्जाम में. दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम फॉर द एग्जाम. इट इज़ जस्ट फॉर योर नॉलेज कि आपको डिस्ट्रिक्ट के बारे में क्या क्या जानना चाहिए. अगेन ऑन दिस पेज यू हैव एक्टिविटी ओनली चिल्ड्रन. ऑन पेज नंबर 106 कि आपके तालुका में कितने लोग हैं, जिला में कितने लोग हैं, उसके हेड को क्या बोलते हैं. सो तालुका पंचायत के हेड को क्या बोलते हैं? तालुका पंचायत के हेड को बोलते हैं हम लोग प्रेसिडेंट. क्या बोलते हैं? प्रेसिडेंट. और जिला पंचायत के भी बोलते हैं प्रेसिडेंट. व्हाट डज द तालुका पंचायत डू? तालुका पंचायत का क्या काम है? अपने तालुका के बारे में देखना और उसके अंदर आने वाले जितने भी ग्राम पंचायत है उसका मॉनिटर करना. और जिला पंचायत का क्या काम है? पूरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में आए सब तालुका का और सब पंचायत का ध्यान रखना. उसके नीचे एक और एक्टिविटी है, डाउन वन मोर एक्टिविटीज़ है. स्कूल में जनरल सेक्रेटरी कौन है? क्लास में जनरल सेक्रेटरी ये सब होता नहीं है एक्चुअली. वी हैव मिनिस्टर्स, कल्चरल मिनिस्टर इन आवर स्कूल, स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर, देन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर, देन डिसिप्लिन मिनिस्टर. तो आपको उसके हिसाब से नाम लिखने के आपके स्कूल में और क्लास में कौन कौन मिनिस्टर बना है. जैसे अपने को क्लास में टीचर मॉनिटर बनाती है, डिसिप्लिन मॉनिटर बनाती है, एक टीचर बनाती है, मेन मॉनिटर बनाती है. सो यू कैन जस्ट राइट इट ऑन योर ओन एंड दिस इज़ नॉट एट ऑल कंपल्सरी चिल्ड्रन टू डू ऑल दिस. ये सब बॉक्स फिलअप करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. वर्कबुक में ये सब करना है. यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग इन द वर्कबुक बट दैट ऑल्सो इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी. अगेन आई विल रीड दिस. योर फ्रेंड may be in class panchayat or in school panchayat. Representatives are appointed in class or school to share various responsibilities. You know, teacher appoint various monitors. Teacher appoint various ministers to look after the different activities. The same is followed in Gram Panchayat, Taluka Panchayat and Zilla Panchayat. In this same way, how we manage a school, how the school is managed by principal, teachers, office persons, then peons, then watchmen, then school, then head boy, head girl, then ministers, then cultural ministers, monitors, what we say, discipline monitor and all that. In this way the school is being managed. In the same way there are what I say different members in the gram panchayat to look after the village. At the village level gram panchayat, at the block level taluka panchayat, and at the district level zilla panchayat. So cleanliness secretary of the class works for cleanliness. There are different appointed people to look after different activities. For cleanliness we have cleanliness secretary. Like this you have to make the name of the officer here is written here on this next page children. See here, it is very useful to work when we know the name of the people. Like ग्राम पंचायत में सरपंच का नाम कोई भी लिख सकते हो आप. म्यूनसिपैलिटी में मेंबर का नाम, तालुका पंचायत में प्रेसिडेंट मेंबर का नाम, ज़िला पंचायत में प्रेसिडेंट का नाम, एजुकेशन कमेटी होते हैं, ज़िला पंचायत में बहुत सारे होते हैं, डीईओ होते हैं, हेल्थ ऑफिसर होते हैं, एजुकेशन ऑफिसर होते हैं, देन ट्रांसपोर्ट मिनिस्टर होते हैं. तो ये सब के नाम आपको यहाँ पर लिखने हैं. फिर ये नीचे एक प्रोजेक्ट वर्क है, स्कूल मैनेजिंग कमेटी. आपको कोई भी यहाँ पर मेंबर का नाम लिखना है, उसकी क्या पोस्ट है. फॉर एग्जांपल डिसिप्लिन मॉनिटर, कल्चरल मॉनिटर, देन क्लास मॉनिटर, ऐसे डिफरेंट पोस्ट स्कूल में होती है टू फिल अप. एंड दिस ऑल इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी. This you have to do in your workbook and that is also not children compulsory. So I'll just give a brief introduction of this lesson children, that Panchayat Raj you will study in detail in 6th standard properly. In the civics portion you will study, and just remember this much, that Panchayat works for the welfare of the local people, those who are living in. The main role of the Panchayat is to look after the work of the village, taluka or district accordingly, and it works at all the three different levels, that is the gram panchayat at the village level, block panchayat at the block level or taluka level, taluka panchayat that is zilla parishad at the district level. And when we talk about the urban area, when we talk about the city children, there we have nagar panchayat or nagar palika for small town. Then for city we have municipality, and for bigger cities like metropolitan cities we have municipal corporation. So children, this you have to remember this. And this main lesson of panchayat, the main aim of the panchayat here is what you know, to settle all types of disputes of the villagers, or to resolve the conflicts, maintain peace, construct roads. We have to maintain public buildings, wells, tanks, ponds, schools, roads, bridges, agricultural facilities, irrigation facilities, then health, about primary health center, primary schools, sanitation, and so many activities of the villages. So because India is India will only become rich when the villages are maintained properly, because India is a land of villages. So at the village level, if the government is proper, at the taluka level, if the government is proper, then our country will prosper, children. So remember this in your mind, children, that at all levels, even the smallest level, even the village is very small, but that at that level also we need what? Government. Even our school, if it is small, we need someone to manage the school. We need help of different teachers, we need help of different ministers, we need help of different monitors to manage the school. In the same way, whether our country is at a, what we say, central government is there, state government is there, but we need this panchayat raj system, that is called as local self government, at all levels, so that the problems of the local people can be solved easily, quickly, and whatever our requirements are there at small level also, that can be fulfilled, children. So I hope you understood this lesson. I will be soon sending the notes of this lesson. This lesson is not in the second term. I will take this lesson for the final exam, children. So this lesson, I'll just sending the video to you. Kindly listen to it and remember, whatever activities are there in the workbook, it will not come for exam, children. The activities of this lesson will not come for exam. It is just for your reference purpose. The main thing will come is objectives and question answers. These activities you have to just fill up on your own. If you know, if you don't know, let it be. Okay, so again I am repeating, these activities are not at all important. If you wish, you do. If you don't want to do, you just copy the question answers and notes which I will be sending you on the WhatsApp. Okay, children. Thank you.